Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning and I'm sitting out on my patio. The wind is kind of breezy today, but it's a beautiful spring day. And today I'm not sitting in my chair like I usually do. I'm sitting in a brand new Lue Bona rocker. And the only thing better than sitting out on my patio in the spring is sitting in a rocker on my patio in the spring. So I want to show you this beautiful rocker that I have. Lue Bona is sponsoring my channel today. They're one of my sponsors. So I want to tell you how much I am loving sitting out here rocking on my back porch. It's a really sturdy rocker and I love it. It came in a flat box. I put it together myself. It was very easy assembly except for putting the back on the chair. That was the only hard part. And I found out this morning I was able to put it together in no time at all, 5 minutes. I had to loosen my screws that I had put the arms on the back. So my one advice to you when you get yours, because everybody needs a Lue Bona rocker on their patio. So when you get yours, don't screw your screws down really tight until you get the back on and back in place. Then go back and tighten all your screws and bolts. But this is a beautiful rocker. It's heavy duty. It's very sturdy. It has a really nice big rock on it. And we adults and senior citizens like to rock just as much as little babies and children do. So I'm going to show you a full picture of it. I have a photo that I took of it and I'm going to post that. But Lue Bona is helping to sponsor my channel, as I said. And when you order yours, I'm going to put a link at the bottom. And when you order yours, put Retired Happy 15 in the coupon code and you'll get 15% off of your rocker. Comes in several different colors. I chose the white, so I have a beautiful rocker and I'm loving it. So thank you, Lue Bona, for helping sponsor my channel and help supporting my efforts on my channel as I talk to people. So Maizie is laying out in the sun since it's a beautiful day and the sun is shining. The sky is blue. The birds are singing. I can hear children out playing across the way. So we are enjoying this beautiful spring day. Today I'm going to share with you 5 things that I do. On an earlier video, I had shared 4 things I don't do anymore, but this is what I do. So number 1, I'll start out with first thing in the morning. Number 1, I do not set my alarm anymore unless I have a doctor's appointment or somewhere I have to go. I sleep until my body wakes up, and when my body wakes up, then I get up. And usually that's a regular time. It's usually 7:30 to 8 to 8:30. So, you know, if I sleep longer than that, it's because I'm really tired and my body needs to rest. So I'll listen to my body and let it rest. I had to get up at 4:30 every morning to get to work when I was working as a nurse and be on the floor ready to run for 12 hours. So I'm enjoying this time. Another thing that I do is get outside every day. Get outside in the sunshine, in the fresh air. Just be outside in nature. Listen to the birds, watch them soar in the sky. We have geese that fly over very often because we have several lakes right around where I live. And I like to watch the geese. And when it's a breezy day like this, the hawks and the big birds just float up in the air. That seems like they just catch a wind current and just float in the air. That's number 2. So the third thing I do is make sure I drink plenty of water every day. Want to stay hydrated. It's good for your skin. It's good for your digestion. It's just good for so many reasons. You need to drink plenty of water, and a lot of us don't drink enough water. So the 4th thing that I do is take Maizie for a walk. Every day we get outside and go for a walk. 5th thing I do is eat good, healthy, nutritious food. I start over in the fresh fruit and the produce section, And I get most of my food in the produce section, the fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. That way when I cook it, I know it has no added salt, it has no preservatives, and I know it's been fresh picked and that I cooked it. Fresh meat, I make my own bread, so I eat healthy, nutritious food. And I'm 80 years old, had my 80th birthday the end of last month. Well, this is March 1st, so it was 1 month ago. And right now I'm on no prescription medications, nothing that I have to take on a regular basis every day. I keep my blood pressure under control by my diet. I have no problem with diabetes or blood sugar. Keep my cholesterol down. So you can do an awful lot of keeping yourself healthy by just what you put into your body. So that is the 5 things that I do now that I'm retired. In a few minutes we're going to go inside and we're going to have lunch, and I'm going to show you a very simple, easy, nutritious salad that's in the Cooking with Maggie cookbook. And yes, it is simple. Yes, it is easy. It's economical, and it's also good for you. So I'm going to share that, and it's an old standard salad that we used to have a lot when I was growing up, but I don't see it much anymore. So I'm just going to bring back some memories. I'm sure a lot of you also have seen or eaten this salad before. So that's it for the day. It's the weekend and it's going to be a short visit today. So thank you so much for coming to my channel. My thankful for today is this beautiful weather. The good word for today is God is with us. He'll never leave us or forsake us. And until we get in the kitchen and start preparing lunch, I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks. So Maizie and I are back inside now from being outside on the back porch on the patio, and I have my lunch fixed. So what I have for lunch today, this is tilapia that I had prepared, I believe it was Monday for lunch. So I have, this is the last piece of tilapia. I have a baked potato. I've put some butter, sour cream in, some fresh green beans I got at the market, and cooked those in some boiling water. And my salad for today is a fresh banana and peanut butter and some fresh strawberries. Now most of us think a serving of banana is a whole banana, but actually if you look on the calorie charts, a serving of banana is half a banana. And this is, I wanted to share this with you because I just found this recently. This is a peanut butter that is low, in fact it has 0 sodium. So it is Crazy Richard's 100% peanuts. I get the creamy, natural peanut butter. And right here on the back it says it has 0 sodium. So I'm just going to share that around because so many people are on a low sodium diet and can't eat a lot of sodium. So that is a good one. I looked all over the shelves and I found some that had lower, but this one has 0 added sodium, which is salt. Salt is sodium. So I have in this pan, I had some hamburger meat in my freezer I found. That's getting a little bit old. So I'm cooking that hamburger meat for Maizie's lunch, and she'll have some hamburger meat to add in her food bowl for the next few days. So y'all enjoy this beautiful springtime. I hope it's as beautiful where you are as it is here in Mississippi, because it's a gorgeous spring day. And until next time, share your smile with everyone you see today, because there's somebody out there who needs a smile today. And thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Remember the Lue Bona rockers. Everybody needs a rocker on their porch or patio. So when you order yours, be sure and put in your code, Retired Happy 15, and you'll get 15% off. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Later this week, my next video is going to be making meatloaf and then sharing some spring items that I've got. Kind of fashion trends and something I'm going to add to my glasses are reflecting, sorry about that. Some spring items I'm going to add, budget dressing, something to add so I have something new in my wardrobe to wear this spring. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Maizie, what you doing, huh? You're laying out in the sun, soaking up some sunshine. Yeah, this little dog loves to lay in the sun. Every day when we walk down to the mailbox, she will walk slow up the driveway back to the front door. And before we get to the sidewalk in the front door, she's slowing down and stretching her back legs out. And I know what's coming. She's getting ready to lay flat on her belly in the grass and just lay in the sun. Hi, Maizie. It's a good girl.